Okay, we've got a couple of problems here. Both of the expressions are linear. This is an equation, so we're going to get a value for x. And this is just an expression, so we can simplify, but we're not going to get a value for x. Okay, let's have a go with the first one. So this is quite a simple operation of getting the x terms on the left-hand side and the numbers on the right-hand side. We're going to have to move this guy, and we're going to have to move it to the left-hand side. In moving to the left-hand side, the only way we can do this is to add 3x to both sides. When we add 3x to both sides, it appears here, this disappears, and it appears here as positive 3x. So let's do that. So we get 3x, the moved negative 3x, plus 7x is equal to 15. Now we can add these together. We get 10x is equal to 15. Now we can do no more moving. This is 10 multiplied by x. And the only way to unglue this particular union is to divide both sides by 10. So having done that, we can now cancel this pair of 10s to leave just x on this side. So x is equal to 15 over 10, which cancels down because there's a common factor of 5, is 3 over 2. And that will be your answer. Okay, let's have a look at part B. And it's going to simplify to one bracket. So if it's going to simplify to one bracket, we're going to have to pull these apart and then make up a new bracket. Now remember, the 2 on the outside here will multiply with the x and multiply with the 16, as indeed the 4 will multiply with the x and also multiply with the negative 5. So let's pull these brackets apart. The first one, 2x, 2 times 16 is 32, plus 4 times x, 4x, 4 times negative 5 is negative 20, and there we are. Again, notice this is not an equation, there are no equal signs, all we can do is simplify. And now the next process in simplification is to pull the x terms together and the number terms together. So the x's first. 2 of them plus 4 of them is 6x. 32 negative 20 minus 20 is 12. Now the question wants the answer in the form p, x plus q. So they're hinting we're able to take a factor out of our expression so far. And yes, 6 and 12 are both in the 6 times table. 12 is just 2 times 6, so we can take a factor of 6 out. Taking a factor of 6 out here, we'll just leave x, and taking the factor of 6 away from 12, we'll leave 2. And that is your answer, where p equals 6 and q equals 2.